Outside of tech, it's easy to see the IT department as a reactive help desk, called only when passwords fail or Wi-Fi crashes. But if an IT team operated that way, only putting out daily fires as they popped up, modern businesses would quickly collapse under the weight of compounded inefficiencies. The reality of professional IT operations involves deep, proactive intention. Teams rely on a deliberate progression known as the IT lifecycle. Every piece of hardware, software, and daily workflow is managed through this structure, leaving nothing to chance. This integrated system actively optimizes the company's internal environment, transforming IT into a driver of efficiency. The lifecycle begins long before a single cable is plugged in. During the planning phase, the team defines specific services and ensures they align directly with the organization's broader goals. This means meticulously calculating the required resources and securing exact budgets so that every deployment is intentional. Of course, even with perfect planning, unexpected failures will still happen. That brings us to Phase 2, Incident and Problem Management. When an issue arises, the immediate response follows a strict protocol. Every problem is formally logged and assigned a priority level based directly on how much it impacts the business. The goal is to move past the temporary patch. Engineers perform root cause analysis, hunting down the foundational flaw to execute a long-term fix. Treating the underlying disease instead of just the symptoms prevents identical failures from repeating, steadily increasing the reliability of the company's baseline operations. With the baseline secure, the system inevitably needs to grow. That introduces Phase 3, Change Management, the mechanism for evolving the network without causing self-inflicted chaos. Every update requires a formal process. First, a request is submitted, the impact is thoroughly assessed, and formal approval is secured. Only then comes precise deployment, followed by a strict review phase to confirm the system remains stable. This controlled environment sets the stage for Phase 4, day-to-day operations. This is where the heavy lifting happens, from managing server infrastructures to handling user requests. Running directly alongside these daily tasks is a parallel tack of continuous monitoring. IT teams track performance in real time to catch tiny anomalies, like a sudden spike in CPU usage or a dropped connection, so they can intervene before a minor glitch escalates into a business crisis. Rigorous change control and proactive monitoring act as a protective shield, allowing a business to scale its operations while maintaining total stability. But the IT lifecycle does not end simply because the systems successfully survive the day. There is a final step to this process, Phase 5. Continuous improvement. During this phase, teams generate performance reports and document their workflows. They analyze long-term data trends to identify hidden bottlenecks, using insights to optimize existing processes. The data gathered during this phase feeds back into Phase 1, informing the next round of planning. This feedback loop transforms the cycle into an ascending progression, where every rotation integrates the lessons learned from previous performance. The IT lifecycle ensures that infrastructure grows with the company, reducing recurring technical friction and refining how services are delivered to the entire organization with every rotation.